Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Opay Business App. So first things first, you can head over right here to your Play Store and search for Opay Business. From in there, you should be able to see in here this particular application. So if this application is available to your country, you can head over and then install it. If it's not, you can head over and then just download its APK online. So once you have actually downloaded it, what you can do is you can just use it in order to receive some money. So we have in here the level fast and safe payments. You can receive some payment. You can use POS, store, inventory, and the likes. We also have this multiple payment collection channels, either by bank card, bank transfer, USSD, and QR, cash or credit, as well as payment link. We also have in here an exclusive account for payment collection, so you can pay with this particular account. So we also have secure and fast payments with card using their POS, and you can also sell items and track your inventory using this case.